Hello, welcome to the OpenGL projects. Today we are going to show you the Pendulum program. Here you can see with the help of these commands only I will show you. And this is the draw circle and this is the draw function. These two functions we are using only, and then we are displaying in the display function. Okay. In this mainly I will show you the pendulum circle. Here we are providing the angle through which it's doing this pendulum drawing and the lines for the thread of the pendulum. And in display function we are using the angles here to make to and fro up to the maximum level. Now build the program, no error, and now execute the program. So you can see it here, pendulum is moving. You can see it's going up to here, so that we can with the help of our program we can make it low. So let's make, instead of 345, make it 310. So it will go down again, and build it up first and make it. So you can see it's now increased, sorry, decreased down below. So thank you for watching. Have a